Today we are making fried rice and chicken.
If you have not subscribed, please hit that red symbol on your screen that says subscribe and turn on the bell sign so you can get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Hi guys, welcome to DorlinandTwinClub. Add chicken seasoning to your chicken breast and your turkey. Add paprika, ghee, and marinate your chicken. Add salt to your meat stock. And add your rice. Mix it well. Add oil in another pan and fry your chicken. Boil your chicken breast. Add oil in another pan. Add onion. And stir it. Add your carrots. Add your green beans. Add your green peas. Add chicken seasoning and mix it well. Add your chicken breast and mix it. Add your green pepper bell. Add your spring onion and mix. Add your rice. Mix well. And you have your fried rice. And there you have your fried rice and chicken.